Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Power. This video is about coordinate geometry centroid formula. How do we derive centroid formula? But before we derive centroid formula, you need to know certain things. First, we need to know about median. What do you mean by a median? Say in a triangle ABC, a line segment joining one vertex and the midpoint of its opposite side is called as a median, and the point of intersection of such three medians, that is, say if this is a triangle A B C, then every triangle will have three medians in it. AD is one median, BE is the other median, and CF is the third median. So the point of intersection of three medians of a triangle is called centroid, and that centroid is represented by G. So how do we find the formula for this centroid when three vertices x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3 are given? Let us see. But before that, another important point to remember is centroid will divide the median in the ratio 2:1 from the vertex to the midpoint. From the vertex to the midpoint. Okay. Suppose if it is from the midpoint to the vertex, it is 1:2. So the point of trisection also we can tell 2:1, 2:1. Now let us see how do we derive centroid formula when three vertices are given. A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2, C of x3 comma y3 are the vertices of this particular triangle. Then D, E, F, AD, BE and CF are the medians, and the point of intersection is G. How do we find this G? Now D being the midpoint of this line segment BC or the side BC, we will find D first. D is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. So here what is D? What is x1? Here this is considered as x1, this is y1, x2, y2. So the point is x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. So this point is x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. This is the formula in which we have substituted and found what is D over. Now as we learnt before, this D is dividing the median AD in the ratio 2:1. Now let us have a look at this particular median. So A of x1 comma y1, D of x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. These are 2 points divided by this point G. This point, what is this point G? We do not know. In the ratio 2:1. Now by using section formula, how do we use section formula? What is section formula actually? According to section formula, G is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the section formula. To find D, we have used midpoint formula. To find G, we are using section formula. Now, G is equal to mx2, m. What is m here? M is 2, n is 1. So, let us take 2 here. 2 into, what is x2? This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So, x2 is x2 plus x3 by 2. This is x2 plus n is 1. So, 1 into x1. x1 is x1 only. So, x1 by 2 plus 1. M plus n. So, 2 plus 1. Then 2 into, that is m into y2. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 is y2 plus y3 by 2 plus 1 into y1 whole divided by 2 plus 1. Then G is equal to, if you observe here, this 2 in the denominator and numerator gets cancelled. 2 in the denominator, numerator gets cancelled. Then what is remaining inside? x2 plus x3 plus x1 whole divided by 3 comma y2 plus y3 plus y1 whole divided by 3. So, centroid formula is given by, that is G is given by, in order if we write x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is how we derive and the centroid of a triangle when 3 vertices are given as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Thank you.